Guys, in today's video, I bring you another unlock for the pattern screen password or PIN of the M33. Remember that this procedure also works for other Samsung models. In some cases, and probably in yours, you will need to connect a USB cable to your computer and your phone, but you don't need to download any program, any file, nothing, okay? Just so it enters recovery mode for us to go there and select the unlock option. Without the cable, you will keep trying several times and won't succeed. So connect the cable before doing the procedure, remove your chip, remove your card. If you don't have a computer, you can also try on your TV. You put it in emergency mode, press the volume down button and the power button together at the same time. When the device restarts, release only the volume down button and press the volume up. The name Samsung appeared on the screen. Release only the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I will show you here so you can follow the step by step. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, I want to ask you to subscribe as well, because it will help us a lot. So let's go. Volume down and power hold. Emergency screen. It's important for you to keep track of the time your device is restarting. Keep holding just a few more seconds. Release the minus and press the plus as it has already restarted. Pay attention to the screen because it will show the name soon. Release the power and keep holding the volume up button. As you can see here in the video, you see that it has already entered recovery mode. Disconnect the cable. Now go down by pressing the volume down button until you reach the option that says Wipe Data Factory Reset. Press power once. On this next screen, go down again, confirm with power again. Let's wait for this information to complete. Once the information on this screen is completed, we just confirm one more time with the power button. And here you just wait and the device will come back unlocked, ready for you to set it up however you want. If this video helped you and if you can make a contribution to our channel, our pics will be in the video description, no matter the amount. What matters is your contribution, your support, and if you need to unlock the Google account as well, we can do this unlocking remotely from the Google account. If you need it, our contact is also there. I hope I have helped you. Thanks. A hug.